Autism is one of the fastest growing disorders, with the World Health Organization stating that 1 in every 68 children has an autism spectrum disorder. Each special needs child needs to be given attention, support, and encouragement in a way that is most effective for him or her. Many special needs people are very visually orientated and excel at creating 2D or 3D images. These skills can be translated into a variety of creative or industrial careers, including animator, CAD designer, photographer, architect, illustrator, or an artist. Soft skills for special needs people may include attention to detail, prolonged concentration, lack of bias, pattern identification, systematic analysis, and a blunt communication style. These soft skills are valued in the technology field, where the work is detailed, repetitive, and discussions never ambiguous. Multimedia and design courses are very suitable for them to express out their thoughts and creativity. With the skills acquired, they can move on to make a career in advertising and producing magazine layout, for example, as a freelance worker.